Hello everyone student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Good. So tell me, in our previous class we have studied about which two regions adaptations? We have studied about the desert animals adaptations and the mountain region animals adaptations. Okay. So today we are going to continue the next topic, that is the adaptations of animal which live in grasslands and the adaptations of the animals which live in aquatic habitat. Okay. So first is the grassland. Grassland is also included in which category? It is also included in the terrestrial category. Okay. Grassland. Which animals lives? Like here in your book, there are two examples are given. The one is about lion and another one is deer. Okay. So we will learn the adaptations of lion and adaptations of deer. Which adaptations they have which helps them to survive in grassland. Okay. So deer. Everyone knows deer. Deer is having which kind of structure? Deer have the strong teeth for chewing the hard plant stem. Okay. And also you know very well that deer have the fast running capacity. Okay. So because of that fast running capacity they can protect themselves from the predators. They also have the long ears to hear the movements of predators. Okay. उनके long ears होते हैं जिससे वो हर movement को properly सुन पाते हैं. Okay. Then their eyes which on the side of its head which allows to look in all the direction for the danger. उनके जो eyes होते हैं जिससे वो क्या कर सकते हैं, they can look at all the directions and they get protect from themselves from the predators. Okay. And one more जो मैंने बताया था, that is the fast speed capacity, running capacity. So the speed of deer which helps them to run away from the predators. वो क्या करते हैं, अपने आप को predator से अपने आप को बचा सकते हैं फास्ट रनिंग कैपेसिटी से. ओके. सो दीज आर सम स्पेशल फीचर्स और यू कैन से एडेप्टेशंस which help them to survive in that particular habitat, means in grassland. Okay. Now what about the lions? Lions के क्या adaptations होते हैं? Lion have the long claws in their front legs. Okay. Which can be withdrawn inside the toes. So this feature which helps them to survive in that grasslands. Another adaptation is that they have the light brown color. कौन सा color के होते हैं? Light brown color. So what is the use of that color? Which helps them to hide in the dry grasslands. Means camouflage करके जो होता है ना, जिससे हम camouflage कहते हैं, like that means animals can hide themselves to their particular habitat, their particular प्लेस. मतलब उनका जो अपना स्किन कलर होता है उससे वो अपने सराउंडिंग में क्या हो सकते हैं, हाइड हो सकते हैं. ओके. वाई? टू हंट फॉर द प्रे. मतलब जिस एनिमल्स को उनको खाना है, प्रे करना है, उनकी शिकार करनी है, उनके लिए वो क्या कर सकते हैं, वो अपने आप को हाइड कर लेते हैं. ओके. सो दिस is the greatest advantage of their color which helps them to survive in grassland. Okay. Another one adaptation is that their eyes in the front of face which allows to have the correct idea about the लोकेशन ऑफ इट्स प्रे. ओके. वो क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने आई से अपने प्रे का जो लोकेशन है उसको प्रॉपरली क्या कर पाते हैं, गेस कर पाते हैं. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ एडेप्टेशंस लायन इज ऑल्सो हैव, लाइक कलर, proper eye vision, then their long claws, sharp claws. This kind of adaptations the lion have which helps him to survive in grassland. So these are the two examples of the grassland animals like a deer and the lion which helps them to survive in their habitat. Means today we have studied about this kind of adaptations of lion and deer. Okay. Now the next topic is some aquatic habitat. Here we will see about the adaptations of ocean animals. We have studied up earlier only fish. Fishes have the streamline shape. So what is the use of that streamline shape? This streamline shape helps them to swim in water properly, means they with the help of that shape of the body they can easily swim in the water. But all the aquatic animals not having that streamline shape, just like you know very well starfish and octopus. So these animals are not having this streamline shape. So what how they can easily survive in water? They stay deeper in the ocean, okay, and they go near the seabed and directly they catch their prey which moves towards them. वो क्या करते हैं, डीपली जाके सी में स्टे करते हैं और वहीं से अपना फूड को कैच करते हैं, ओके. एंड वन मोर थिंग दे आल्सो आर हैविंग दैट अबाउट द गिल्स. Gills is what is the use of gills? We have studied that gills is used for the breathing of aquatic animals. What is the use of gills? Gills help them to dissolve the ऑक्सीजन विच प्रेजेंट इन द वाटर, ओके. तो इस तरीके से वो क्या करते हैं, वाटर में ब्रीदिंग कर सकते हैं. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द गिल्स दे कैन हेल्प टू ब्रीद इन वाटर, ओके. But you know what, students? Dolphins and whales, these sea animals which do not have gills, okay. So how they breathe? They breathe through the nostrils or blowholes, which where it is present, which present at the upper part of their head, okay. And these allow help to this they are allowed to breathe in air, means जब भी उनको ब्रीदिंग करनी होती है वो एयर में आके ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, ओके. एंड यू नो व्हाट, दे कैन स्टे इनसाइड द वाटर फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम विदाउट ब्रीदिंग. वो पानी के अंदर ब्रीदिंग के बिना भी बहुत टाइम तक लिव सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, ओके. एंड दे कम टू द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम ओनली, मतलब वो सिर्फ ब्रीदिंग के लिए ही सरफेस तक आते हैं. एंड दे टेक द ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम एयर एंड अगेन गो बैक इन टू water, okay. So this is how they can breathe and they live in water, okay.